Baby, what are you eating?
Chocolate with peanut butter in it.
How does it taste?
Then,
A little bit good?
no, a lot of good.
A lot of good? Who cooks so good for you? Who?
You
Me.
and Jacob.
And Jacob does cook good for you, doesn't he? Who taught Jacob how to cook, do you think?
Chloe,
Mama?
Mama, Ethan.
You think I taught Jacob how to cook?
Mm-hmm.
I think you're right.
Put it on toast.
Oh, that's a good idea to put that on our toast tomorrow, huh?
Uh-huh.
How did we make the chocolate?
Stir it up.
Stir it up, but what would we stir it up in?
Bowl.
Yeah. Do you want to go get that bag of the...
Tomatoes.
No, not the... What are we having for dinner tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what did you tell me?
Put this on bagels and toast.
I know, but what did you tell me you wanted for dinner? Salad.
With tomatoes in it. And avocado.
So, a salad with what?
Avocado and tomatoes.
Okay, so we're going to have a salad with avocado and tomato. And what else did you want?
Green soup.
Green soup? Wait, sit still. I can't video you if you're moving. So, what's our green soup?
Dip crackers in it and toast.
We put toast and crackers in it?
Mm-hmm.
How does it taste?
Good.
Is it your favorite thing?
I want my Twinkie.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.